Hey everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, watching for the first time, my name is Darius. I live on Vancouver Island on the west coast of Canada, and I make videos about raw vegan diet and health and growing your own food and gardening and all that good stuff. I'm in my greenhouse right now. Today it's the middle of February, and I was gonna just do a greenhouse. Maybe I'll go outside later to just kind of walk and talk. And yeah, it's been amazing. I've been wanting to do this for a long time, but it's just it's so nice today. As you can see, I'm in t-shirt and shorts, middle of February. I'm so grateful right now. So I'll just show you a little bit of what I've got growing in here right now. Been doing a lot of work transplanting in here, things that I started inside, and some of this is stuff that I planted back in the fall that's just been in here all winter. So this is mostly just lettuces that are still quite small but should be growing soon. Some mustard greens behind there, more mustard greens, some little baby spinach that I transplanted. There's some peas over there. And I've got this whole middle row here, which is, again, just a mix of various things. And these are some bigger, better lettuces that I've been transplanting out. Yeah, so that's been really, really fun and really satisfying. Ooh, the sun went away. Yeah, it's been really fun getting all these plants in the ground. Some of them have been in here the whole winter. So, video. Today, while we're on the topic of greens, that's actually what I was planning to talk about today, is my thoughts on greens and green consumption as a raw vegan. When it comes to greens, I think there's kind of like, there's some people in the raw vegan world who, like strict fruitarians, who say we don't need to eat greens, who say they're a waste of stomach space and we can get all our vitamins and minerals that we need from fruits. And then there's other folks like Doug Graham and John Kohler who really advocate for a lot of greens in our diet. My thoughts on this: I think when I was first starting out as a raw vegan, I didn't really eat too many greens. I mean, I think, like, I knew that they were good for you and important, and I did eat some, but really just not nearly as many as I did now. And I think that's, what am I trying to say? I think when you're starting out as a raw vegan, I think that not eating as many greens is actually okay for a period of time, because I think the most important thing is to build up your stomach capacity, because fruits and vegetables generally are so much higher in volume and water. The body does require a certain period of time to get used to accommodating more food. So at the beginning, focusing on fruits to ensure that you're getting enough carbohydrates and calories for your needs is, in my opinion, the most important thing. Short term, it's not gonna hurt it's not gonna hurt you to, like, not get enough greens, whatever. I think getting enough calories is crucial. After a period of time, once your stomach capacity has adjusted and you have gotten used to eating more food, I think that increasing your greens consumption can be a very beneficial and important thing to do. And that's what I've been focusing on doing the last year or so, is getting more greens in my diet. I eat greens like twice a day now. Yeah, like before, I only ate greens at dinner time, like in my salad. Now I'll add greens to my smoothie, and I'll have a big salad at night. So yeah, I'm getting quite a bit more, and yeah, it feels good. It feels really good. Um, and I find that especially like eating greens that I've grown myself in my garden just makes such a big difference, both in taste and uh, yeah, I mean, it saves me a lot of money, but I'm sure that there's a lot more nutrition in them. So yeah, grow your own greens. Woohoo! Um, but no, I mean, I think like if you're living in the tropics or something, like somewhere where you've got access to like a lot of really high quality fruit, or you can grow your own fruit, that's more mineral dense and that has all the minerals that we need, you could make a case that greens aren't that important. But for the vast majority of us, we don't have access to that. We're not living in that kind of situation. So, and greens provide our bodies with a lot of essential vitamins and minerals that, based on my research, we just can't get that much from fruit. So, in my opinion, greens are a very important part of healthy raw vegan diet. And yeah, I would definitely never want to be like a strict fruitarian, even if I was like growing all my own fruit and living somewhere ideal. Like, I don't know, I just really like greens. I like the texture, I like the flavor, I like the combination of greens with fruit and fats. Yeah, I really like it. And so I think like if you're someone who doesn't really like greens, I'll go outside. If you're someone who doesn't really like greens, well, my first piece of advice is grow your own, because they taste a hell of a lot better. Um, but yeah, just play around, like experiment with different kinds of greens. Some people, um, when they say they don't like greens, they don't like the strong flavors. Um, you know, iceberg lettuce is fine. There's nothing wrong with iceberg lettuce. Maybe doesn't have quite as much nutrition as some other greens, but it's still like healthy food, and still got a lot of those minerals and stuff. So yeah, and it's like, and that's a green that's really like more neutral and like easy to eat a lot of. I think, yeah, that's a good tip is like eat whatever kind of green that you feel like you can eat a lot of easily. Um, you know, some things like cabbage, they just require a lot of chewing and they're hard to eat a lot of. But then other things like romaine lettuce, I love romaine lettuce, and I can just like eat a whole head of romaine lettuce, no problem. And it tastes amazing. It's like sweet and yeah, I don't know. Celery is another one. So yeah, anyway, those are just some of my thoughts. Yeah, basically, I think greens are an important part of a healthy diet, but for short-term periods of time, like if you're struggling to get enough calories, I think it's okay to not eat as many, because getting in a sufficient amount of calories from fruit is the number one most important thing for succeeding as a raw vegan, in my opinion. Yeah, so let me know what you guys think. Do you eat greens? Do you like them? Do you think they're important? Thanks for watching, and if you like this video and if you like what I have to say in general, and you are interested in transitioning to a raw vegan diet or improving your raw vegan diet, or just looking for any help or guidance, please don't hesitate to contact me. I'm offering coaching support for anyone who would like it, and that's the reason why I'm making these videos, is to help more people. So please don't hesitate to reach out to me, and I will see you again soon in another video. Bye for now.